Yo estoy puesta pa' ti, tú te me quitas. Diablo, que piquete la chamaquita. El corazón.
Hi, my name is Alief Putra Bagaskara.
My name is Daka Yuana Prawira.
My name Rafi Mirza Ghulam.
My name is Zuhdan Kafabi. Now we will make OREO milkshake. Let's find out. Ingredients: UHT milk, sweetened condensed milk, OREO, sugar, ice cube, and crumble. Tools: glass, spoon, and blender.
Step: first, to soak the sweetened condensed milk in a small glass with enough water. Second, put 3 pieces of OREO into the blender and then add 2 spoons of sugar. Third, put the dissolved sweetened condensed milk, UHT milk, and also ice into the blender. Then mix until smooth. While waiting for it to be well mixed, take 1 piece of OREO and mash until it becomes powder. After that, turn off the blender and put the milkshake into a glass. Then add OREO powder and also scramble over the milkshake. Finally, the OREO milkshake is ready to be enjoyed.